Hi, buddy. Welcome to AnswersQ. Amazon is recruiting for business operations specialist in its Hyderabad branch, that is in India. So we'll be seeing all the details regarding this recruitment by Amazon in this video. I'll also show you how you can apply for this role. So watch till the end and get all the details regarding this Amazon recruitment. So generally, a business operations specialist works under MBO team, that is marketplace business operations team. And the role of a business operations specialist is to go through all the data and analyze the data and get some results from it, so that they can develop some processes which will improve the performance and help the team achieve the goals faster. So this is generally about the role of a business operations specialist. In common, they should be very good in working with the data. They should be good with the numbers and all other things. So this is about the job description. Now let's see the qualifications that you need to apply for this program. So the basic qualifications or something which you should definitely have before you apply for this program. Sorry, before you apply for this job role. And the basic qualifications are you should have a bachelor's degree in any discipline and 0 to 48 months of work experience. So no problem if you don't have any work experience already. Freshers can also apply for this job role, and you should be proficient in Microsoft Office applications, and in particular you should be very good with MS Excel, and you should possess some excellent communication skills in English. You should be comfortable with writing English as well as in speaking English. So these are the basic qualifications. And going on to the preferred qualifications are something which will boost your chance in getting this job. So that is preferred qualifications. So in this business operations specialist role, if you have excellent analytical problem solving and logical reasoning skills, you have a good chance of getting this job. And you should be able to write macros in MS Excel, which is aimed at improving processes. And of course, if you want to work in Amazon, you should be having some interest in e-commerce and other online businesses, and you should have that passion for innovation, automation, and other operational excellence. And as I said, you'll be working with numbers, so you should be paying attention to all the details, all the numbers, everything, and you should be ready to work on multiple projects at one time. And it will be a fast-paced work. It will be challenging for you, and if you are ready for all these things, then you have a very good chance of getting this job. And you'll be working on a rotational shift, and it will be changing for every 3 to 4 months. And it is a 5-day working model. You will be working for 5 days, and then you will get 2 days off, and those 2 days will be consecutive 2 days. So if you are working from Monday to Friday, you can your day off will be Saturday and Sunday. It will be consecutive, and this will also change for every 3 to 4 months. So this is the details which you need to know before applying for this business operations specialist role in Amazon. And now let's see how to apply for this role. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media channels. I'll give you all the link in description. And if you want to know more about free online courses, internships, workshops, and other job updates, you can visit answersq.com. You will get a lot of things in our website. And now let's see how to apply for this job role, that is business operations specialist. So this is the registration form which we need to fill out. So the job role is already pre-selected here. We can't change that. And then what are the details you need to give here are how did you find about this job? If you want, you can just select others here, and you can just type in AnswersQ YouTube channel or whatever. So on next, what you have to give is you have to give your full name. You have to provide your email ID and your mobile number and alternate mobile number, and then you have to give your date of birth, and then you have to select your gender, citizenship, and your current location, and your highest degree, year of passing, education type. And if you already have any work experience, you can just type in here. If you have 1 month or 12 months, you can just type in here. If you don't have, you can just type in 0. No problem, because freshers can apply for this job. And then you have to give some details about whether you are working currently or not, what is the notice period, where are you working, all other details. Like if you are working now in any company, you should be giving those details here. And then moving on to the next section, you have to fill all the details here, and then you have to give your PAN card. And if you have ever been employed at Amazon, you have to select yes or no here. And then you have to upload your resume and your photo finally. And they have given here the supported formats. Note that you can upload your resume only in these formats here, and the size of the resume should be 3 MB or less than that, and the size of the photo should be 4 MB or less than that, and make sure you are uploading it only in the formats given here. And then after uploading your resume and photo, you have to check this box here and then verify that you are not a robot, and then click on the submit button to apply for this business operations specialist role in Amazon. So this is how you need to apply for this role. I hope you'll find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, job updates, internships, workshops, and other online events, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.